Today we're gonna make giant oatmeal raisin cookies that are gonna be soft and chewy. The first thing that we need is a stick and a half of butter. Can you put that in the mixer? So a stick and a half of butter, and then we're gonna put this on to make it soft. Now this recipe has all brown sugar because brown sugar makes cookies chewier. Do you know why it's brown?
Maybe it's just cooked.
Nope, it has molasses in it, and molasses is thick and oozy and gooey, and it's gonna make things really chewy. So 1 cup of brown sugar. Okay, you wanna turn the mixer on? We'll beat it until it's light and fluffy. So it's light and fluffy. Now I'm gonna add 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. What's happening is the butter and the sugar is getting stuck to the side. So we're gonna scrape it down and help the eggs mix in better. We're gonna add a 1/2 cup of applesauce. And this is gonna replace some of the fat because the recipe used to have 2 sticks of butter. It's gonna keep it moist and chewy, and it's also gonna add some sweetness. Now we have our dry ingredients. We have 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup of whole wheat. The whole wheat is also gonna make it a little chewier. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. We're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together. Okay, wanna add in the dry ingredients? Now we're gonna add 3 cups of old-fashioned oats, not the quick cooking kind, and 1 cup of raisins. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and on a non-stick cookie sheet, you're gonna put 6 large cookies, about 3 tablespoons each. When you put the first 3 tablespoons down, it'll make probably a high mound, but they're not gonna spread a lot, so you wanna push them down so they're not too high in the center. You can also do this by banging the sheet tray on the table. So the cookies are out. I just want to show you the couple different ways they could come out. For a really, really giant cookie, you can use a 1/4 cup scoop to do that, or you can measure out a full 1/4 cup and then pat that down. Those are going to take a little bit longer to make. This one was the one that I showed you on the video. Be careful when you're making those 3 scoops that it's completely round, otherwise you'll kind of have these strange edges there and they won't be perfectly round. And these are the ones that were flattened down. And this was a batch that was done also with the 3 scoops, but not flattening down, so they're a little higher. Just so you can see what type of cookie it is, it's a soft, cakey type of cookie. They smell fantastic, they taste even better, and you don't have to feel as bad about these as a cookie because you're getting the natural sweetness from the raisins, all that good for you oats. It's a little lower in sugar and fat due to the applesauce, and you've got some fiber from the whole wheat. So eat these, enjoy them, feel good.